This is the main screen. This is the sensor. We start to choose programming. So we can choose number 1 to 10. And these are package ready to start, and this is for manual bending. On this program you can choose any section, any direction, and any size of the section. Then after you write down here starting radius, straight part, length and steps, and every time you calculate the section size, length, radius, and you start bending. Or you choose another one like this. So you choose the section here. So as you see here, the general size of the section. So this is the general data you should input, and all the rest is calculated by the system. But on this system you have to enter minimum 4 bending in order to create database here. So if we go back to this manual bending, so in here you will make a program, and then you will make a correction, then save it to the database. Without saving 4 parts into database, you cannot run the program by entering the size, by entering this dimension easily. So you can also change the die diameters if you wish. For instance, if you use pipe roll, so here are where you can make spiral bending or oval. As you see here, these are the dimensions, and these are the data you have to enter, and all the rest will be calculated by the system. So this is the correction menu. By using this menu, you will correct your value, so the system will calculate and save it in its memory for the next programs. You can also use in here so you will see every detail about your program. So if you wish, you can choose millimeter or inch in the system.